If the 13.8 billion year history of the universe were compressed into a single year, humans learning to use fire would show up in just the final minute. Just imagining that is enough to send chills down your spine. Right now, we may be standing at a critical threshold called the Great Filter, and if we're not careful, human civilization could be game over. So, what exactly is the Great Filter? It's a theory suggesting that for intelligent life in the universe to evolve into a truly advanced civilization, it must pass through several extremely difficult stages. Life might go extinct shortly after it appears. It might fail when it starts using tools. Or it could self-destruct while developing high technology. The scariest part? Some scientists believe humanity may be stuck at the most dangerous stage right now. Why say that? Because we now have nuclear weapons, artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, technologies that could either launch us into a golden age or destroy everything in an instant. Take nuclear war, for example. During the Cold War, the US and the Soviet Union stockpiled tens of thousands of nuclear warheads, enough to bomb Earth back to the Stone Age. Things are more stable now, but there are still over 10,000 nuclear weapons worldwide. One wrong decision, one mistaken launch, and the consequences would be unimaginable. Scientists have calculated that a full-scale nuclear war could cause global temperatures to plummet, decimate food production, and leave billions struggling to survive. This isn't a movie script, it's a very real possibility. Then there's climate change. Earth is heating up, and extreme weather is becoming more frequent. By 2024, global temperatures had risen 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Antarctic ice is melting, sea levels are rising, and many coastal cities could eventually be submerged. A UN report warned that if we don't cut emissions fast, climate change could displace hundreds of millions of people by 2100. Food, water, and land could all become scarce, leading inevitably to conflict. And what about genetic engineering? Scientists can now edit DNA to cure diseases and improve crops. Amazing, right? But what if someone uses that same technology to create a supervirus? One that spreads faster and is far deadlier than COVID-19? In 2022, the World Health Organization warned that lab safety must be improved, or we risk digging our own grave through a catastrophic accident. Astronomers speculate that the Milky Way may have once hosted tens of thousands of civilizations, none of which survived. Why not? They may have run into their own Great Filter. Maybe they ran out of energy, destroyed their environment, or wiped themselves out through war. In 2023, American astrophysicist Adam Frank developed a model suggesting most civilizations may go extinct before achieving interstellar travel. It sounds bleak, but that's the reality we might be facing. Still, all is not lost. Humanity is actively searching for extraterrestrial life, trying to locate the Great Filter, either ahead of us or behind. The James Webb Space Telescope can now analyze the atmospheres of planets thousands of light-years away, looking for signs of life. In 2024, scientists found unusual chemical compounds in some planetary atmospheres, possibly traces of industrial pollution. What does that mean? There might be civilizations out there developing industry, just like us. Even more thrilling, scientists have recently detected what may be Dyson spheres. What's a Dyson sphere? It's a hypothetical megastructure built by an advanced civilization to completely surround a star and harness its energy. In 2025, the Astrophysical Journal published a paper reporting strange energy signals from several distant galaxies, possibly traces of such structures. If that's true, it means some civilizations have already passed the Great Filter and are thriving. That's great news for us. It means we might make it too. Looking at the world today, humanity is like a tightrope walker. One step toward a brilliant future, the other toward an abyss. Whether we can get past the Great Filter depends entirely on the choices we make right now. As the old saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We must take every step carefully, so that the flame of human wisdom doesn't go out.